Girl, what in the world? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am installing a wig from LUVMEHAIR. They sent over this blunt cut bob for me to try for y'all today. It's a kinky straight wig. It has some kinky edges. I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out looking. So if you guys are interested in seeing the final result and hearing what I think about it, continue to watch. It is a left side only part space wig. So we have a wide left side part, it's curved, and then we have some hairline exposure with the kinky edges in the front, and then it has an elastic band, and then it has combs and adjustable straps. But we're just gonna pop it on, and it comes pre-bleached, honey. I love a pre-bleached wig. You mean to tell me that I ain't gotta mess with no bleach? You got me there. I bought these new flat irons from Amazon during Amazon Prime, so I'm hoping that they work good. I don't know if I'm going to go over the hair completely because I kind of wanted to keep this same little blowout texture, but we'll see as we go on with the installation process.
But none of them is a thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting, and the pessimist gold medalist flush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran or remembrance. Cleaning lady sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. That come on being attached, so how about we leave it at that? If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time.
Honey, this wig looks too good. About to be in rotation. Oh my gosh. Plucking out a little bit of the hair in the front because it's like really thick. We don't need it to be that thick, so I'm just thinning it out some. It's still gonna give like the kinky texture at the front. It still gives natural, but I just don't need that thick of a kinky edge. You know what I'm saying? And so far I have this wig on completely glueless, which we love.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate hump. Niggas.
Girl, what in the world? Love Me Hair. What were you thinking?
I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
Tell me this isn't a slay! I'm sorry, crew. I was too loud. Here came my dog. This wig looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Like I would love to have multiples of these Love Me Hair. If you can afford it, to just give me a discount. Something. Like, I love this wig. Like, this wig could literally be like a signature style for me at this point in my life. Like, I feel like I'm at the right age range to be rocking this little hairstyle all the time. Only thing is I would like to be able to switch my parting space. I need the same texture wig with a frontal or a closure so I can give myself a middle part or side part. It's just too good. You know, it's the right density. It's full all the way around. This blunt cut, the texture, like this is just top tier level wig right now. It's the perfect length, like 360. Y'all gotta see the back. Honey, I love this unit. 10 out of 10. This is the boy, get down. This is the first time I've tried a wig in a minute and I have fallen in LOVE. Woo! I love this so much. If you guys are interested in a wig that looks exactly like this, just like this, whatever, check out Love Me Hair website. I'm gonna put the link in my description bar for you to get this exact same wig. Good gracious, I love it so much. Bye y'all.